Welcome, welcome, welcome everyone to our 2-year anniversary party. My name is Ann and I am the home bartender. I started this channel, really this project, about 2 years ago in April of 2020 on Facebook and in May of 2020 on YouTube. My husband Greg and I originally wanted to do something fun and share my amazing knowledge about making cocktails, and Tiki was quickly becoming my passion. So we went with a Tiki night. Little did I know, I had very little knowledge and I was starting something that would be a long-term adventure. My husband started a Facebook group called the Post-Quarantine Tiki Night. You can still go join that if you'd like. We wanted to do a live event on Facebook, so I posted 3 videos of the cocktails I would for sure make the night of the live event that week before on YouTube, and that's how I started the channel. I posted shopping lists, outfits, and music ideas as well on the Facebook group, because I was hoping that others would show up to this event like it was a real party. We wanted people to have some fun watching us make drinks and enjoying the food we made, and maybe even show up in a tiki outfit, which I didn't even actually have one, but what the heck, couldn't even leave our houses. Then on May 16th, I did a live event on Facebook, and it was about 4 hours long. I made what felt like approximately 10 cocktails that night, though I don't really remember, and by that I mean I made 10 cocktails and I can't remember the night. Lots of people showed up. It was super, super fun. They came in outfits, and some even showed up with tiki cocktails. It was really great. They also showed us their backyards. We had a blast and it was a super success. Now, let's talk about this proprietary cocktail that I messed up. It's one of my all-time favorite tiki cocktails. I made the painkiller cocktail. I made it with Smith & Cross split with Plantation 5-year, and I really like it that way, but it's true, it should have been made that first time on my channel with Pusser's rum, and it just bugged me ever since. I'm not apologizing for it, but I just thought it bugged me ever since. This is pretty much how I make it now. Sometimes I use the Pusser's gunpowder overproof for this one to keep it in the Pusser's family, but honestly, that rum is so yummy. If you are starting to dive a bit deeper into rum, go get a bottle of Pusser's. You will not regret it. Hi. So we started this journey together, so let's have a painkiller now to celebrate. I made one just for you and your Hatbox Ghost.
Look at that.
We got the scuba diver and the Hatbox Ghost. So cheers.
Cheers. 2 years.
2 years.
Oh, it's so yummy.
These are so good.
Yeah.
It's fruity and it's got butterscotch notes. It's creamy. What are your thoughts on it?
That tastes great. I think I agreed with everything that you said regarding the rums. I think you make it really well. I think the key to this is making, it's the cream de coconut, is that right?
Mm-hmm. Cream de coconut
I think
syrup.
making that and not buying a shelf-bought thing goes a long ways, just like making your own grenadine goes a long ways compared to the store-bought. I think that really gives it a great mouthfeel. And yeah, and I love Smith & Cross and Pusser's, actually. I think they're both fantastic. Yeah, that's...
Anything you want to say about the old journey here on YouTube and the past 2 years? Be careful now.
Ann didn't know, she had not done any editing at all, and now she just zips through them and edits and gets this great background music and just does a lot. And just managing the channel is a lot, I know. And it's a lot of work, but it's been fun, and we have learned a lot, and I have projects that I want to work on, and everything I've learned here is just going to make that journey for me easier, as you've been kind of the scout ahead, or the pioneer. And so I want to thank you for that. I've enjoyed filming and being behind the scenes and just kind of making it look good. And you always look good. So.
Oh, thank you. And you people probably don't know, but Greg looks over all my videos for me, and he goes over the sound at the end, and he lets me know if I've missed anything, which I have done many times. So he does a lot for the channel. He stands behind the camera and does all of the camera work and all of the lighting that we have, he does. And you do an amazing job at that. So this has really been a journey for both of us together. And I'm really enjoying it, and I hope to continue to be on this journey for many, many more years. So thank you to you.
Yeah, happy 2 years.
Thank you to all of you out there, and yeah. Oh, what's next is I want to show you how to make this amazing cocktail with the correct ingredients. I almost forgot. So let's do that. Ingredients are coming up next. Cheers. All right, let's start with 1 ounce of coconut cream. You can use Coco Lopez if you like, or you can watch my video on how to make this cream of coconut syrup. It's easy to make, it's good, and I feel like it's better than Coco Lopez. The coconut cream syrup will give this cocktail an amazing mouthfeel, so 1 ounce of that. 1 ounce of orange juice. You could always sub boxed orange juice if you wanted to, but it's really nice just to squeeze your own. Next is 4 ounces of pineapple juice, and you might know this already, but I usually use Trader Joe's. This is the star of our cocktail, and so it's really good in here. Next, we'll get our Pusser's rum in the cocktail, 2 ounces. Let's get some ice in there and shake this one up. I'm gonna dump this right into the mug. I got this mug at the Reef in Palm Springs, California, and I absolutely love it. And next we're gonna get an orange wheel in there. All right, I'm gonna grate some nutmeg over the top. That does really have a great profile when you put the nutmeg over the top. A couple of pineapple fronds I think would look nice. Maybe back here. A Surfside sip straw. Don't forget to look in the description box for my discount code. Put that kind of over here as well. And that is the amazing painkiller, done the right way. I make a Halokulani Tiki cocktail for people who think that Tiki is just rum, and that is such an amazing cocktail, and I do have a video for that, so check that out after today's video. But I use a high-proof bourbon in that video that takes the cocktail way over the top. It is so good, one of my favorites. But for people who are new to rum and Tiki, I always make the painkiller. It's a classic, it's fruity and coconutty and super delicious, and they're always blown away. If you have never been to a Tiki bar before, what are you waiting for? They are so much fun. They most likely will have the painkiller on the menu, and you can't go wrong with this cocktail. I still make mistakes, and I'm still learning, and I plan to be around for more learning right here on my channel. Join me next week, and I'll show you how to make another fabulous cocktail. Be well, and happy anniversary to me and my staff. Yeah, see you next week. Be well. Smiles are free.